Hello everybody, my name is Creighton Varney and today I'd like to present to you our Alpha S machine with integrated flake feeder. The Alpha S flake feeder has been designed to run shredded, granulated and flaked materials plus scrap materials that have a small size, such as caps for instance. The model you see here is a water-cooled system and we're running the PP flaked material. The Alpha S, as with all PLASMAC's range of machines, are what we call direct extrusion machines, i.e. the material is fed directly into the screw of the extruder. The Alphas all use what we call short screw technology. This short screw technology has a host of benefits which I'd like to explain to you now. Firstly, short screw technology, or SST, means we apply very little shear to the material. The residence time in the barrel is reduced, and we typically run the materials being processed at 20 to 25% lower temperatures than you'd see on the extrusion line. This means the material has an absolute minimum of melt history being put into it, a minimum amount of shear, and therefore by default, the absolute minimum amount of material degradation takes place. SST also means we can use smaller motors and gearboxes to turn the screw and process the material. We also need fewer heat zones, and all of this means the Alpha range of machines are without doubt the most economical machines on the market. This particular unit uses less than 15 kilowatts of energy to produce up to 75 kilograms of material, meaning it produces more than 5 kilograms per kilowatt or less than 0.2 kilowatts per kilogram, ensuring you get the quickest return on investment as possible for such a machine. A short screw also means a compact machine. The Alpha S has an extremely small footprint, meaning you can fit it into even the most crowded of production halls, or the smallest of spaces, freeing up valuable floor space for other operations. Material is fed into the extruder screw via an integrated flake feeder. This flake feeder includes a variable speed controlled auger which doses the correct amount of material directly into the extruder. A feedback link between the extruder screw and the auger screw ensures a consistent rate of feed. For material which could bridge, stirrer arms can be included within the body of the flake feeder to break up any bridging and again ensure a consistent flow of material to the extruder screw. When running offline scrap, PLASMAC recommends using a screen changer. Here you can see one of PLASMAC's manual screen changers. For this application, the simple but effective design ensures a high level of filtration is achieved. If required, a hydraulic or even fully automatic back-flushing screen changer can be installed. The Pelletizing System is PLASMAC's ultra-compact hydro-cooled pelletizing system. The stainless steel cutting chamber is mounted on a linear rail for simple opening and closing. 2 pumps are used, one to feed the collector or cutting chamber, and the other circulates the water through the tank through the heat exchanger and back into the tank to maintain a constant water temperature. As it is a closed-loop system, the only use is through evaporation, which is negligible. A flow sensor with integrated thermocouple means the control system of the machine is able to sense that the correct flow of water is being sent to the cutting chamber, and should the inbuilt filter start to become blocked, it'll warn the operator that they need to clean. The thermocouple allows the water tank temperature to be displayed on the operator's HMI system. A vertical centrifuge dries the pellets before they're conveyed to the cyclone via a Venturi blowing system. So in summary, I present to you the Alpha S water-cooled pelletizing machine with integrated flake feeder, a market-leading machine for energy efficiency that is compact, extremely versatile and produces near virgin quality pellets. Thank you.